Last couple of years have been very challenging for home builders. They've been riddled with material delays, damaged materials, and a huge shortage of labor. Builders want to deliver the highest quality product in the quickest amount of time. That's how they make money. But I want you to know something super important. When cabinets are delayed 10 days, it's not just a 10-day delay in the build schedule. It quickly becomes 30, 45, or even 60 days because 10 or 12 vendors behind that cabinet installer have to be rescheduled. It's important to know that your builder, your realtor, and you all have to be on a team, and you have to have empathy for each other. You're gonna get that dream home. It might just be delayed by a few more days.